Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang pinaka-latest na post ni Major General Romeo V. Pukis. Pamagat niya, Increase in Food Allowance Dishonor. Yung allowance ng masundalo. Ginawan ng paraan ng Speaker of the House pa-increase from dating 150 pesos a day, ginawang 350. Ang ordinary soldier, maligaya niyan. Kaya lang, sa tingin ni General Pukis, it's a dishonor, it's a disservice to the men and women in uniform. So, bakit? Ito, basahin ko ang kanyang post. Soldiers need increase in their food allowance. All right. Sabi ko na, kailangan. But when the increase is not initiated, approved, and announced by the Commander-in-Chief, something is amiss and very alarming. Yun. Sino bang ayaw? Ako, personally, natutuwa. Pasalamat tayo at na-increasean na ang food allowance ng mga sundalo. Kailang, the manner it was increased, yun ang question mark. Yung pag-increase, it's not the initiative. It was not approved. It was not announced by the Commander-in-Chief, meaning the President. So, yun na yun. Something is very alarming. Something is wrong according to General Pukis. Agree ba kayo? Kasi sa chain of command, ang chain of command is the President being the Commander-in-Chief. Ang sunod sa kanya na is the AFP Chief of Staff. Not even the Secretary of National Defense. Hindi siya kasama sa chain of command. Commander-in-Chief, directly below him is the AFP Chief of Staff, and below the Chief of Staff are the Major Service Commanders down the line na yan. Yan po ang chain of command. Nasaan ang Speaker of the House? Kasama ba siya sa chain of command? Hindi. Bakit? Siya ang nag-initiate. Siya ang nag-approve. Siya ang nag-announce. Yon ang punto ni General Pukis. Okay, ituloy natin. That the announcement was done by the Speaker of the House of Representatives and his Appropriations Committee Chairman, who are embroiled in shenanigans and corruption issues in the preparation and approval of the 2025 national budget. It's shameless. Ano ba ito? Ang daming nagre-reklamo yung ginawa sa BICAM, yung dagdag bawas nila. Ginawang zero subsidy ang PhilHealth. Binawasan ang AFP Modernization Fund. Binawasan ang education. Binawasan ang DOST Pag-asa. Binawasan ang DSWD 4Ps. Dinagdagan naman ang DPWH. Ang daming question mark. Ito ang sinasabi ni General Pukis. Okay. That the announcement was covered live and broadcasted publicly via video call to the AFP chief for propaganda purposes is even more shameful. Napanood ko. Yan. Nandun si Speaker of the House, may kinakausap sa cellphone, yun pala si General Browner. Ina-announce ng Chief of Staff, ng Speaker of the House, sabihin mo sa tropa, Okay na yung food allowance nila. Ganon. Kumalat na sa, hindi ko lang naihanda ngayon na sa sunod ng mga vlog ko. Klaro, ina-announce ng Speaker of the House. Sabi ni General Pocis, that's shameless. Nakakahiya. Kasi nga, wala sa chain of command ang Speaker of the House. That the increase was done not out of the goodness of one's heart, but to buy. Ito tingnan nyo kung agree kayo, hindi. Ito, opinion lang ni General Pocis. I'm just sharing it. I'm just reading it to you. The increase was done not out of the goodness of one's heart, but to buy the loyalty of the soldier for political considerations is a dishonor to the soldier. Binibili daw ang loyalty ng mga sundalo, kaya in-increasean ang food allowance. Anong masasabi nyo? Agree ba kayo? Paki-comment naman. Next. The soldier must object to this dishonor. He can live with less food as he had endured for the longest time. Noong kapanahonan ko, nagsimula ko, ang food allowance ata namin noon, parang 1983 ako nagsimula eh. I think 50 pesos a day. Hindi ko na, basta less than 100 yung food allowance namin 1983. Kulang na. Kaya. So, I don't know. Of course, maligayang sundalo. Kaya lang, I don't know kung makita nila itong punto ni General Pocis na it's a dishonor. Kasi, hindi yung willingness ng heart na gustong tumulong, kundi may hidden agenda. If there is that money available, rather than be dishonored, give them to the teachers and health workers instead, who likewise deserve them for their sacrifice. Sabi, okay, magbasa tayo sa mga comments ha. Palagi kong binabantayan itong mga post ni General Pocis dahil malaman. Halos lahat ng post niya, ginagawan ko ng reaction vlog. Reggie Cordial, sabi niya, it is despicable and regretful that our current civilian-led leaders are poisoning democratic institutions that struggle to remain professional. I wonder how Professor Carlos is advising Martin Romualdez. Oo nga, no? Si Professor Carlos, nandyan